And Mega is reusing their Bluey assets. Hey Mallrat, it's September 2025 and Mega is reusing their Bluey assets. Their paw park here on the 5th floor is now the Bluey Paw Park. Apparently. Check it out. It's now the Bluey Paw Park. That's amazing. Look at that. A couple of dogs here. There's a dog here. Actually, there's a big one over there. Bluey Paw Park. The paw park over in Podium. There was one on, yeah. Outskirts. Paw park, guys.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.